Welcome to This Explainer. Okay, today we are breaking down a seriously exciting opportunity right in the technical heart of India. We are unpacking the software engineer I role at Zebra over in Bengaluru. Look, if you're hunting for a role that perfectly blends hard technical skills with a culture that actually values its people, well, you are definitely in the right place. We're going to use the source material today to give you the exact insights you need to really understand this role, and more importantly, how to prepare to land it. Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our roadmap for today. First, welcome to Zebra Nation. 2, your daily responsibilities. 3, the requirements and skills. And finally, number 4, flexibility and benefits. So, kicking things off with Section 1. Welcome to Zebra Nation, a culture of innovation.
Now, before you even think about writing a single line of code, you really need to understand the environment you're walking into. Listen to this quote pulled directly from their posting. United by curiosity and a culture of caring, we develop smart solutions that anticipate our customers' and partners' needs. I really want to highlight the word curiosity here. If you're preparing for an interview, this is a huge cue for you. Come ready with examples of times your natural curiosity drove you to solve a customer challenge before it even blew up into a real problem.
And this brilliantly illustrates their overarching mission, pushing boundaries today to redefine the work of tomorrow. You know, this isn't just about sitting around maintaining legacy code. It is a highly forward-thinking environment where you're expected to learn and, frankly, expected to lead. All right, moving right along to Section 2, your daily responsibilities, basically the day-to-day. It is great to have a visionary culture, but what exactly are you going to be doing when you log on every morning? Well, you are going to own the entire software engineering design project lifecycle for less complex projects. You aren't just siloed into one little corner here. You'll start with the initial coding, move right through debugging, conduct rigorous testing, and finally handle the deployment. Quick prep tip for you: be absolutely ready to answer frequently asked questions about a time you successfully managed a project through all 4 of these distinct phases. But your day goes way beyond just writing software. Let's look at these key tasks. You are going to collaborate on system integrations, getting the software and hardware to actually play nicely together. You'll analyze processes and deliver those results straight to stakeholders. And yes, you're also responsible for the absolutely crucial and, let's be honest, sometimes a bit tedious, task of creating documentation, from design specs to test results. It really requires a holistic, patient engineering mindset. Seeing the sheer breadth of that day-to-day work naturally leads us to a very direct question. Do you have what it takes to actually land this? Let's find out in Section 3, the requirements and skills. Are you a match? Think of their need for software solutions as a giant puzzle, and your background is that one missing piece. Now, what's really interesting here is Zebra's explicit flexibility when it comes to education. Option A is your traditional route, a bachelor's or advanced degree, but Option B explicitly states that equivalent work experience is considered in lieu of a degree. They are laser-focused on your actual output and capabilities, not just the piece of paper hanging on your wall. So what exactly should you brush up on before your interview? Well, on the technical side, definitely prepare for questions testing your quantitative and problem-solving skills, as well as your specific knowledge of programming languages and algorithms. But whatever you do, do not overlook the softer skills. Expect behavioral questions about your experience in agile or Scrum environments, and be ready to prove that you are a highly collaborative team player. Because you'll be presenting analyses to stakeholders, your communication skills are literally just as vital to practice as your coding. Okay, on to the fun stuff. Section 4, flexibility and benefits, the perks. We have talked a lot about what Zebra expects from you, but how do they actually support your lifestyle? Let's start with this number right here, 15. This is the maximum percentage of travel required for this role. Because this is primarily sedentary desk work, knowing up front that you're only going to travel up to 15% of the time allows you to confidently plan your personal life outside of work. And speaking of that personal life, Zebra has a real commitment to protecting your bandwidth. This role is hybrid, meaning you aren't just chained to an office desk 5 days a week. They offer adaptable hours for life's unpredictability, plus some truly fantastic perks like Summer Flex Fridays and Focus Fridays, which essentially means fewer meeting interruptions so you can actually get your coding done. And the whole shebang culminates in an annual company-wide well-being day specifically to help you unplug and recharge. I want to leave you with this final, really powerful question drawn straight from their overview. Are you ready to channel your skills toward causes you care about, locally and globally? Zebra isn't just offering you a desk. They're offering a platform to make a tangible, real-world impact. If this breakdown resonated with you, it's time to tailor that resume, prep for those technical questions, and take the next step. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and good luck out there.